Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have my little co-star with me. I have little Miss Vienna today. She has her BarkBox for February. Do you want to know what's inside of her box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, her BarkBox just got here. This is for February, and I'm so excited to see what's inside. I did cut the tape so she wasn't in the way. And now we can dive in and see what we have. Let's see. Oh, because they had those awards where the Grammys or the Emmys that were just like a week or two ago. So I think that's where this is all like their theme for this month. But it says the Barkies. How cute. So when you open this up, yes. So it looks just like the Emmys. It says the Barkies. It's the night every dog dreams of, the Barkies, and your A-list pup has the invite. Time for your superstar to put on their designer fur, rub their butt across a red carpet, and receive something golden. Play all you want. We promise not to play you off. Or you better not be rubbing your butt across a red carpet. Okay, you guys, so that is what it looks like inside. Is that a tuxedo? What in the world? Okay, we've rolled out the red carpet, it says. So, oh, how cute. It's either way. And there is a little, so she's probably going to use this as a toy, but I'm going to put it, can I put it on her this way? I can. Hey, Mama, let me see you. Let me see you. Oh, your neck's too fat. And don't fit around your little neck. Oh, here we go. I can pull it up a little bit more. That's not too tight around your neck? No? Okay, perfect. Let's show your fans. Let's see how cute you look. Say hi. She looks so uncomfortable right now. She's like, get this shit off me. Let me see you. Let me see you. Hey. Hi. Look how cute! You have a little bandana on you. Hi. Oh, don't knock your box off. Okay, so then there's another toy in here. Look, it's a toilet. Oh my gosh, it says Best Snuggle. And the Best Snuggle award goes to Vienna. Oh, she's trying to take this one off. If you can only see her, she's like, get this shit off me. Okay, hold on. Let me take this off you for a second. Sit. Thank you. So this is a toilet, and it has a little ball on the top. It's on by little plastic things you got to take off. But here's a little, let me get it off because, hi Funkin. Hi Funkin. You have a new ball, and you have a golden toilet. You have a golden toilet award. You love your BarkBox, huh? Yes, you do. So it says the Barky Award. This is small for small dogs. And it says, I want to thank the tennis ball, the disc squeaker, and most of all, your dog. We couldn't have made this toy without you. I want to thank my fur stylist. Aw, nuts. They're playing me off. What in the world? They just have they come up with the cutest things. So here, there's a squeaker, a crinkle. There's the golden toilet. That has a squeaker, or that is what's in it, not a squeaker. And then the ball is just right there, and it says bark on it. How cute! The Best Snuggle Award goes to you. She's like, I'm just gonna take this. Look. Is that for you? Is that for you? She's like, don't mind if I do. And this little ball, she's gonna be throwing all over the place. Hopefully this one's small enough where she won't try to pull this off. If she does, I'll have to take it from her. But that toy, I know she's good to go. So then here's a little treat. It's a pig ear chew. So here's a pig ear. And it sells Smokehouse 100% pig ear. BarkBox approved. Hi. Then there is, oh, you dropped your toilet. Then we have the Lammies, like the Grammys, the Lammies lamb recipe dog treats with cranberry. Ooh, those sound good. And they're like the long sticks treats. Here, let me show you. Do you want one of these? Because this is the one that I opened for you. Ooh, smells like cranberries. Yeah, that smells like cranberries, huh? You licking your chops already? You licking your chops already? So that's what they look like. That's the size of them. Vienna approved. So there's the Lammies, which is lamb and cranberries. We're always all over the place with this video because of my little one. Then this says the Noms for Best Picture pork recipe dog treats with apple. And these look like they're made the same size, but this is pork with apple. And then this thing. And then, how cute! Look. So it looks like, by their paper in here, it says best vocals, outstanding paws, best kisses. So they had different little names on the bottom of the awards. Oh my gosh, how cute. I'm gonna try to get her a picture with this on her neck, but she's probably just gonna play with this as a toy. Yeah, see? She's probably just gonna play with this as a toy, and if I put on her neck, she's just gonna be a little brat because she has a problem with anything on her or clothes on her or anything like that. She just acts a fool. So then there is this little envelope in here. Let's see what's in here. Hi, big nose. My, what a big nose you have. Yes. So this says, let's sniff butts. Let's sniff butts. Is this like a Valentine's Day card? Yeah. So it looks like a Valentine's Day card that you can give to another dog. And this actually has different, yeah, it is. It's for a free box. So there's different little numbers on there. How cute. And it says to and from. And it says, I'm sweet on you. I'm also sweet on BarkBox and Super Chewer. That's why I'm giving you your first month of toys and treats for free. So there is 3 of them. If you guys do want these for Super Chewer or BarkBox, if you can, I don't know if it will, you probably won't see all of those. So that's cute that they give you these, and it's kind of like Valentine's Day cards. So like your dog can give another dog a Valentine's Day card to get a free box. That is adorable. So that is everything that came in this month's BarkBox, you guys. Again, we have the 2 treats with the cute theme being like the Grammys. We have a pig ear, which that's the first time she's got a pig ear, so that's amazing. She has an award for the best snuggles that has a ball in there as well. And then there's this little cute thing that can go around like this if it was a boy, and this like for a girl. So that is just so cute. If you guys want to know a little bit more about, she just pulled this out of the box. If you guys want to know a little bit more about BarkBox, yes, I took your box from you, didn't I? Didn't I take your box from you? Yes, now you won't be mad. So BarkBox is $29 a month if you just do month to month. If you do a 6 month, it goes to $25. If you do a 12 months, it brings it to $22, free shipping. If you want to do the Super Chewer, if you have like a Super Chewer or like a bigger dog that just chews the crap out of things, you can do the Super Chewer box, which is $39 a month, $34 if you do 6 month, and $29 if you do a 12 month. And again, I will link them down below if you would like to check them out for yourself. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my still shot really quick before she starts tearing up the toys, and then I'm gonna let her just go ahead and play and see how she likes them. So if you want to see her playing with her toys for a few minutes, here you go. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that we had to show you for this month and this month's theme for February. And yeah, so go ahead and comment down below. What did you think of this month's theme, you guys? Their themes every month are just the cutest. And this one is just so adorable with like the awards. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. So you guys comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world and we greatly appreciate it. So until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.